Hello, my name is Kim Beechner from Embark Marketing, and today I'm going to teach you how to create a geolocation for your restaurant on Instagram using the Meta Business Center on desktop. So as you can see from this example, we have a restaurant here that when we try to post a picture on the Instagram app natively and click the location button, we cannot find the brand's location here natively on the app. And unfortunately, we have not been able to find a way to add the location here natively on the app, but there is a way to fix it on your Facebook page, which does eventually create a location on Instagram. So today I'm going to show you how to do that. The first step is to go to the Facebook page that you are trying to fix your geolocation for. And once you are here, you need to change into the brand's account and click on the About button where you'll see your address. There are 3 little dots and you'll click Edit Address. When we're here and we look at the geo marker pen, we see that it's located in the middle of the ocean, and this is why it is not registering for the business. So we need to move this pen to the location exactly where it is, and then it will appear on Instagram. So in order to do this, you have to get really detailed on where your address is. So I would recommend that you open your address in another tab on Google and get really close to see where the marker is so that you can match it to look just like that on Facebook. So it takes just a second here for you to be able to do it. We're gonna get really close. And as you find your city, you'll keep zooming in because you have to put the pin exactly where your business is located on the map. So as you can see here, this business is kind of located in this business park within the triangle, which is similar to here on Google. There's the triangle. Kind of zoom in here. Now, if we look at this and we look at Google, we see they match. It's kind of in this little box and also in this little box over here. Now, once you have the geolocation, you'll see that it doesn't let you hit save. So you also need to enter in the neighborhood in which you are located, in which case they are located in Canton. So then I can click save. And now this is going to go through an approval process at Meta. Typically, we find that within approximately 48 hours, if you go natively to the app and you go back to this part where you select the location, that it appears here when you search for the brand, because Instagram and Facebook are connected and so are the geolocations. This was a really challenging thing that we ran into and we could not find the answer, so I hope that this helps you guys. Wishing you all the best of luck.